Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be replacing this bulb. It's going to be a little tutorial video on how to replace this headlight bulb. So if you have a headlight bulb, that either one on this Jeep, this is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler, this is a Polar, but if you have Sahara Desert, Wrangler, regular one, doesn't matter. There's probably no space in the back. It's okay. Also, I'm going to show you how to change this bulb here. This is very easy. This one you can reach from the back just like that. You don't have to remove anything. It will take you 2 minutes only. Also, I'll show you the bulb size if it has numbers, and I'll let you know what number the bulb is and how to install it. You're going to remove the grill here. Also, I have a video on how to do the bulb on the side markers here. So all the bulbs in the front, it's all on my YouTube channel, including with this video. Okay, so let's get this thing going. This is a 2014, but other Jeeps are similar if you have the same setup. So again, check out my video how to replace this bulb. This bulb is a 194, the bulb size, and you can reach from back over here, just twist it and it comes out, and you put a new bulb in, twist it back on. And same thing with this one, okay? You twist this one off. First, you're gonna have to disconnect this connector here. So this is like a little red tab here, you push that tab back. All right, we're not gonna twist it off, okay? Because I don't want you to break anything, because you need to push that little red tab back, and then you can push this connector, this will come out. Other than that, you're not gonna be able to turn this all the way, okay? It'll push on the cable. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open this. You gotta open the hood, okay? No matter what. You're gonna lift this up, you're gonna push on the hook here. Okay, so all you're gonna do is push on this hook and it will lift up. And after that, let me put my stand on. There you go. So I was trying to put that up. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this whole grill, okay? This whole grill is gonna come off. So we got a clip here, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, and right there. If you have a tool such as this, or a flathead screwdriver will work too. This is a fork, clip removing fork. You just yank up on that, and then this probably, don't try to damage your paint on this grill here. So if you want to go in the back of it a little bit, and you can play around with it, and this will come out. Okay, put it somewhere safe. You're gonna do the same thing for all the clips, okay? Same thing, and they all will come up, okay? So okay, if it pops up like that, that's even better. But to take these off, like I said, you could go underneath, and or if you can't, somehow, some way, get that out. Okay, so once I have all of these out, and we're gonna take this one off. So that's all the clips. So let me remove all of this, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, so I got all the clips there and some over there. So as you can see, they're all gone. All right, now what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab this grill from right down here, slowly, gently, okay? Just yank on it. It has a whole bunch of metal retaining clips over here. All right, and that's how easy it's gonna be, okay? If you wanna just do the headlights, you could do it right here, very simple. And you're gonna remove this. There's one down here and one there. So it's 3 only in there, 4 actually, 2 and 2, 4. And this is a torque. I'm gonna give you the size. All right, other than that, this is what I was talking about. To remove that bulb, you could do it from the back, but you do need to push this clip back. 99% of the time it breaks, it's okay, but it's not gonna let you release anything, okay? But if you can remove this grill, if you have a grill off, all you need to do is simply turn this side bulb, and you turn it out. Same process goes for the other side. So let me get my stand, and we're gonna do this together. Okay, so to remove this bulb, all you need to do is pull on it, and the bulb size here is 3757, okay? Once you get it, it's a dual flare bulb. It's not a single flare bulb. If you put a single flare bulb, you're gonna blow the fuse, okay? So once you get a new bulb, you can put it this way or that way, okay? Make sure you have clean gloves, clean hands, and stick that back in. And to put this back in, all you're gonna do is you're gonna find the correct routing, and this sticks right in there, okay? And that's how simple it is. Okay, now let's get to the headlight. Okay, so to remove this, you're gonna need a torque. This is T15. Okay, that's the size. So we're gonna remove this. Okay, let's leave that one in, okay? I like to leave the hardest one in because it's gonna hold it for us. So let's take this one out of here. Small little screws, do not try to lose them, okay? Try to hold on to them. So they're gonna come out fairly easy, okay? And I think spot up over here is best for me to put this. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all four, and the whole assembly should come out. Whole headlight. So if you need to replace this whole headlight, same process. Okay. Going down here, you could take off your socket because it's not gonna, once it gets loose enough, your ratchet is just gonna free play. Okay, this one's a little tough because it's no. Okay, got it out. Alright, so this one I'm gonna take off next is this one right here. This comes out. Sometimes these will break if you hit something or somebody damaged this somehow, some way. And this would be the way to get it out of there. Here's another one. So they all four of them are same. So this is the last one here. I like to leave the easy one up on the top because it's easy for me to get it out of the housing. Alright, so let me pull my tool gently here, and then you're gonna just wiggle this, and back here, let me see if the camera can see in the back end. Okay, so in the back, all you're gonna do is you're gonna twist this counterclockwise, and this whole assembly will come out of, and the bulb will stay behind with the connector. Okay, so this is how you're gonna replace this little guy. And to pull out this bulb, all you need to do is you have to go back on that red letter tab. So push back on it just like that, and then your bulb will come out. Bulb is part of this whole thing, is the bulb. Try not to touch it. And the bulb size is H13, okay? And that's the correct bulb. To put a new bulb in, you gently just take this. You also want to check your connectors if they're not burnt or anything. All right, this is called a pigtail connector. Anyways, to put a new one in, you stick this in, it clicks, and if that red clip breaks, it's okay, but if it doesn't, push it back in. And the reverse procedure starts. So you're gonna take this bulb, you're gonna find the routing where it sits flush. Come on, boy. Where is that spot at? Okay, let me look. Because these... Okay, I think it's like right there. There you go. And then you're going to just twist it clockwise. And I want you to tell you one thing. This little guy does sit in one particular way, okay? It is going to go in this position. The little opening of that is inside, is facing upward. That's what I looked on the other side. And then you're gonna pick your screws and put all 3 screws in. All 4, I mean. Alright, so give me a moment and I'm gonna put all 4 screws in. First, get them by hand. That's one. It's gonna keep falling till you have one completely tight, but I don't like to tighten anything but unless I get everything aligned perfectly. So now this thing should hold for me. And always try on your light before you finish out. Sometimes it could be a bad bulb. You know, the new bulb I did come across, sometimes new bulbs be bad. Alright, so that we have that, and then we got the last one down here. So the process is the same on this side and the opposite side. All right, so give me a moment. I'm gonna tighten this and we're gonna come back and put the grill back up together. Okay, once everything is done, what you're gonna do is make sure you line these according to the hole, and you're gonna lift this grill up, and once everything is lined and you can see the clips there lined, just hit them gently, okay? Same thing on this side. You're gonna hit it all around. Perfect. After that, you're gonna take your clips here one at a time. Just stick it in, and then this does go in one direction. That's one. And that's 2, 3. This is number 4. And this is number 5. They're all the same size. And this is number 6. That's all of them. All right, so I want you to take your time doing this. If you guys have any question, don't hesitate to send me a message. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe. So I got 1, 2 left. I'm gonna finish it off, and that's it.